I just paid hundreds of dollars for this Hurst shifter for my 2010 Camaro that doesn't do anything. Because, well, you know, it's
an automatic.
I have some realistic guilt at the moment for buying this just because it looks cool. But today, I'm going to open it up, throw it in real quick, and let you know if after that, I still have that buyer's remorse. So I did get this on sale, and I did have an Amazon credit, and I did have an Amazon gift card. However, the retail price on this is typically about 350 bucks. I've been sitting around waiting on it for a while, waiting for a sale. And when it finally happened, I decided it's time to pull the trigger. I can definitely appreciate some instructions on just about anything, so that's good. Also comes with a tiny little set screw, and then the shifter itself. Ooh, that's nice. I feel like Dirty Harry with that 44 mag, except for I'm just shifting from park to drive. Seriously though, it looks super nice, high quality, made of good materials. Right off the bat, initial impressions, good stuff. Now this should be the easiest install ever, but I've said that before. Step one, remove the little backing plate that covers the screw. Got it. Then remove the screw. I don't know what the screw is. There we go. Just use the old camera. I was trying to use a hex bit whenever it's a star bit, so there's problem number one. Solved. Boom. There we are. Old one's off. There's what that looks like, in case you're wondering. All right. Click. Ooh, that's looking good. Just wait till I get this out in the sun. I'm in the garage right now. It's quieter. But as soon as I get this done, pulling it out, we're going to get a good look at it. All right. What are the chances I get this in there without dropping it? This one's an Allen or hex screw, whereas the other one was the star. Well, in comparison, first impressions, I love it. Let's pull this bad boy outside.
Check it out. Man, that looks good. I mean, in the stupidest of ways, it's cooler to shift this handle than it is to shift this handle. And that's dumb. And is that part worth the money? No. No, it's not. It's nice. The part that makes it worth the money is that I love the interior of my car quite a bit more now than I did about 10 or 15 minutes ago.
Well, when it's all said and done, am I glad that I paid the money for it? Yep. Do I think that you should buy one? I don't know, man. That's a conversation between you, your car, your budget, and maybe your significant other. I do, however, hope that this video maybe helped you a little bit and make an informed decision on if you want to bite the bullet and spend a $350 on the shifter or not. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, the link is in the description. And as always, I would be honored if you would subscribe to the channel if you're interested in seeing the progress that I continue to make on my 2010 Camaro. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much, and thanks for watching.